Okay? Now, just let your lower body, your upper, like your chest, come down more. Now, did any of you notice your back start to round? Yes, some of you did. Some of you are like, I can do that. Right. Mostly females. And so to work with females, let's do this. Everyone get down into the half moon position. And by the way, this is probably the best hamstring stretch we've done. So, we'll come back to this later, but try to drive your head as high as you can. Okay? Let's see. I have my, whatever knee is down, squeeze that butt cheek. Drive the front toe into the ground as hard as you can. You feel that stretch here? Okay? Now, here's the trick. We call physio something different where I am. My physio taught me this. I'm going to try to pull my heel back to my other leg. Do you feel that? Isn't that a nice hip flexor stretch? So, again, remember what I said. Here's a cue. Get tall. Some people say, oh, I feel it. Next person does it. Drive that toe in the ground as hard as you can. Oh, I feel it. Squeeze his butt cheek. Oh, I feel it. Next person. But this is the last one. Bringing that heel back to the ground. Feel that? Now, all I'm going to ask you to do is just let the foot come out a little bit farther and then go up on the heel. Alright? And then just hinge back. Hinge back. Now, for some of the females, let's go in that community drill. For some of the females, let's see if we can do this for our females. Let's go here at the top, and now let's hinge back. Go a little slower first. Do you feel your hamstring? Right, right. So for females, no offense to the 51% of the world population, but it's hard to teach you guys to hinge because you take a ballet class when you're a kid and you learn to shut down your hamstring.